Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Just Another Car Show.
Dude, it feels so good to be back. You know, it's so, so weird.
I was so happy to be here.
I just realized, like, oh my god, we're doing it again.
Yeah, we're doing it again. Okay, hold on. All right. Woo! Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Just Another Car Show. We're back out here. We got Andy behind the camera again. Yeah, we got the Civic back out here. Andy drove a whole freaking 4 hours this morning just to get himself down here, get these babies swapped out. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We got a new set of wheels for Andy's Civic. We got the Civic. We got the jack stands, the jack, the breaker bar, and the sockets. Hold on. Okay.
It's all very basic Civic stuff so far. These kind of things are literally just ABS plastic. Wheels are finally being changed out. These mud flaps, and they look so good. That's the aesthetic I want to go for, is like an off-road, you know, kind of like big work car, like a workhorse. Up right here. So this is probably, I'm not gonna talk about it, but this is gonna be hopefully a pretty soon fix. Oh, these guys too look sick.
Oh, these are nice.
As opposed to like the bright orange.
Yeah, these look so much better. And you did this thing on the front too.
What did I do?
You put this extra piece of black.
This thing? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's just this.
The big change is gonna be putting these wheels on for you. Let's show you the wheels. So these are the wheels I used to have on my Hyundai Veloster. They're 17-inch Sparcos. Andy's the homie, so we're giving him a good connect with them. Okay, so first steps first. We've said this 1,000 times. When we're trying to get to break these lugs, we're gonna lift the car up slightly, but keep pressure on the tire. So let's do that. Okay, Andy, do you have the lock pin thing for this one?
Yeah. Okay.
Yo, guys, check it out here. We're literally in a freaking parking lot of my condominium. This is what we're doing to try to make content for you guys. Because I've been living here and Andy's been living in Orlando and it sucked. But that's why we're so hyped to go be roommates in LA. Whoop, woo. Nice. It is hot. My God. Okay.
Fascinating.
That's a weird ass lug nut. All right, let's get, now that we broke the lugs, we'll just lift the car up, get the pressure off this tire. All right. Bro, are you ready? I'm excited.
I'm so
You want to put
excited.
it on? It's
Yeah.
your wheel.
It's kind of heavy though. Your jack's definitely better than mine, despite being ghetto.
Damn, bro. Yeah, these are nice wheels. Look, you still got a good amount of tread left on them. Oh,
Holy shit, that looks good.
okay. Okay, bet. Now that we got all these lugs on, we're just gonna lower the car so that there's a little pressure on this wheel and then crank everything down. And then what we're gonna have to do once we put all these wheels on, there's a Wawa right next to my house. We're gonna drive to Wawa, check the tire pressure on all of them before, because Andy's gonna drive 4 hours back to Orlando with these. We want to make sure our boy's safe going home. Send the boys home safe, you know what I'm saying? Come down, tighten it up.
I'll take it.
Bro, are you ready?
Yeah. Oh,
Bro,
look at that thing.
that looks good. Dude, this looks awesome. Okay, Jesus. Okay, next wheel. Hell yeah. All right,
A little bit of a flip seat.
Swoop, whoop, whoop.
Collector.com.
Collector.com, come get your gear, boys.
So hard. Oh.
All right, bet. So now we just lower it and brake bar it.
Nice.
So the reason you want some pressure still on the jack as you're tightening down your lugs is because if you put your lugs on and you think they're snug and then you rest the weight of the car down, the wheel is gonna do this and bend out away from the bolts themselves, or away from the bolts themselves. So if you keep some pressure on the jack, the car can sit flush, or excuse me, the wheel can sit flush to the disc. You can tighten down here before you put all the weight on it. Okay. Sheesh! These are the smallest lug nuts ever. Okay. Tighten these down by hand here.
Oh my God, it looks so good.
Here we go, last one. Need some of that. I am sweating like a sometimes, but warm like all the time. Last one. There we go. Now she's starting to come together. This one. Boom! Damn, bro. It looks pretty good. Anyways, so this was step one. Now we're gonna, because there's still air pressure in it, we're gonna take it to Wawa, check all the air pressure for Andy so he's good for the trip home. Cool. Let's clean up. Let's get to Wawa.
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime. All right, Andy, what you thinking, boy?
It looks so good.
Yeah.
A little shaky on the way here, but we're all aired up.
We just got all that free air. Damn, bro.
When I get home, I get the basket's gonna be there waiting for me for on top of the roof racks.
Yeah.
It's gonna look clean.
Boom, ladies and gentlemen, that is how you hook your homie up with your old wheels that you're never gonna use again. He's gonna take them, make it look sexy, make it look nice. Thanks for watching Just Another Car Show. Make sure to catch us out in LA. We moving, boys. Hit the Patreon, like, subscribe, do all the things. Check out our Instagram. Thanks for watching. Boom.